Python isn't just a programming language. It opens the door to many career opportunities. Python has become one of the most popular languages in the tech industry thanks to its clean syntax, versatility, and massive community. In this video, I'll share the industries that you can get into with Python knowledge, along with the positions and salaries that you can expect. If you are a Python enthusiastic, then you want to watch this video until the end to be aware of all your options. As a disclaimer, please keep in mind that your salary will depend on your experience, education, location, and other factors. Also be aware that although Python is the main technology, you might need other technologies depending on the position that you want to get. The purpose of this video is to provide an overview of the Python job landscape, so I won't be going too deep into each section. Let's get started. You can create fast and scalable web applications with Python. And according to this article, these companies use Python in their web development stack. Reddit, Dropbox, Instagram, Uber, Netflix, Spotify, Facebook, and Lyft. To create web applications with Python, you can use Flask and or Django. Some positions that you can get within the web development field are Python developer, software engineer, backend engineer, full stack engineer, and others. You can use Python libraries for data exploration and analysis, data visualization, and statistical analysis. Now, within machine learning, you can use Python libraries for building, training, evaluating, and deploying machine learning models. Some positions that you can get in this field are data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, and machine learning engineer. Within automation, you can use Python for scripting. Python is widely used for scripting to automate repetitive tasks. File operations, like copying, renaming, and organizing files. System administration. Python scripts can be used for system administration tasks like user management, system monitoring, and configuration management. Web scraping. You can automate data extraction from website using Python libraries like Beautiful Soup and Scrappy. Task scheduling. Python can be used for scheduling repetitive tasks. In the DevOps side of things, you can do configuration management, continuous integration and continuous development, container orchestration, monitoring and logging, cloud automation, collaboration and communication, and security automation. Two jobs that you can find in this field are DevOps engineer and automation engineer. Now, in cybersecurity, Python is a go-to language for scripting and automating cybersecurity tasks. Automated scripts can be used for tasks such as scanning for vulnerabilities, analyzing logs, and responding to security incidents. Python is extensively used in penetration testing tools. Frameworks like Metasploit have Python components, and various penetration testing scripts are often written in Python to assess and secure systems. Python is used for network scanning and enumeration tasks, allowing cybersecurity professionals to discover devices on a network, identify open ports, and gather information about services running on those ports. Scripts can be written to parse logs, analyze memory dumps, and extract relevant information during investigations. And Python can also be used for cryptography and encryption. Now, in the network engineering side of things, yes, you can do network automation, of course, network device configuration. Python scripts can be used to push and pull configurations from network devices, and this is particularly valuable in maintaining consistent and scalable network configurations. Python is used for network monitoring, capturing logs, and analyzing network traffic, and Python is also utilized in network simulations for testing and validating network configurations before deploying. Two positions that you can find are network engineer and cybersecurity analyst. In case you are not aware, you can learn Python for free here in YouTube. Just search for Python course for beginners and you will find top tier content for free. You don't need to buy a course to start learning Python. I'm just curious to know what field do you want to get into. Let me know in the comments and I might provide free additional resources so that you can start learning as soon as possible. If you like the video, click the like button below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.